So hi guys, magandang buhay! Welcome back to my channel. By the way, this is Johnny Nabor, ang inyong pambansang Shopee! So guys, welcome back to my channel. So kamusta kayong lahat? So ayun, gusto ko lang mag-sorry sa inyo kasi medyo nawala ako sa track ng pagbablog. And ayun, kasi namaos ako. Medyo hindi maganda yung lagay ng boses ko mga nakaraang linggo. Nagpiling singer kasi ako guys. Nag-concert ko kahit hindi naman singer. Diba? So ayun, kinalabasan, namaos. Kawawang bata. Hindi nakapag-vlog ng 2 weeks. So ayun guys, bago tayo mag-start ulit ng ating vlog, new vlog! Yay! Bago tayo mag-start, gusto ko muna kayong batiin tsaka kamustahin. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Lagi kayo mag-iingat dyan kung nasan man kayo. And ayun, kamusta kayong lahat? Sana lahat sa maganda kayong kalagayan. And one more thing, lagi kayong mag-iingat guys kasi sobrang hirap ng lagay ng ating bansa ngayong pandemic. Ang hirap gumalaw, promise. Sa totoo lang, sobrang hirap gumalaw sa labas. Nakakatakot na nakakabana na ewan, di mo malaman kung ano mararamdaman mo pag lumabas ka. Actually ako, hindi nga ako makalabas eh. Natatakot ako, promise. Kasi sa magiging bill mo pa lang sa hospital pag tinamaan ka ng virus. Diyos ko, di mo na nananaisin pa na mabuhay. So yun, kamusta kayo? Sana lagi kayo mag-iingat kung nasan man kayo ngayon. And huwag nyo kakalimutan magsuot ng face mask and social distancing guys. Sobrang importante nun para malesen din natin yung chance na magkaroon tayo ng virus. So ayun, social distancing, tsaka lagi rin tayo magdadala ng alcohol pang disinfect guys, kasi hindi natin alam yung mga ginagawa natin, hindi ba nakakahawak tayo kung saan saan. So maayos na meron tayong alcohol na pang disinfect man lang minsan para safe tayo. So ayun guys, ingat kayo lalo na sa mga nagtatrabaho dyan. Keep safe and ingat sa biyahe. So ayun, nga guys, yung vlog natin for today ay tungkol sa top 10 best beaches in the Philippines. Yay! So simulan natin sa una. Ang ating number 1 beautiful and best beaches in the Philippines ay ang El Nido. So ang El Nido guys is located in Palawan. So base sa CNN Go, Palawan is one of the best beaches you must have to try and visit here in the Philippines. Bukod sa magaganda nitong activities na pwedeng i-offer sa inyo, ang El Nido ay sobrang natural. Its ecosystem is very natural and fresh. So marami kayong makikita dito guys na species, iba't ibang class ng isda, ibon, puno. Sobrang ganda, sobrang paraiso. In short, paraiso yung Palawan. And of course guys, marami kayong pwedeng gawin sa Palawan. Pwede kayo mag-scuba diving. Wow, that was one of the best things to do in Palawan. Kasi bukod sa clear na ang water, napaka-natural pa nito. And aside from scuba diving, you can do snorkeling. So ayun, pag nag-snorkeling kayo guys, doon yung makikita yung mga species underwater. Different kinds of fishes na meron sila. One more thing, kaya nga tayo pumunta sa beach is para mag-relax at mag-distress. Ayun, pwede nating puntahan yung Secret Lagoon nila na sobrang ganda. Paraiso, sobrang ganda. Malaparaiso sa ganda guys. So kung hindi ka pa nakakapunta ng Palawan, you must visit and try. Mag-ipon-ipon na tayo guys para mapuntahan natin yung El Nido in Palawan. And aside from this, yung ino-offer nila na Eat Bird's Nest soap. Of course, one more thing, kaya ang pwede natin gawin sa beach is mag-island hopping. Island to island. Yes. So sobrang maraming pwedeng gawin sa El Nido. It's beautiful lagoons and of course, it's limestone cliffs. Sobrang unique guys sa mga bato nila doon. Yes. Sobrang ganda, sobrang kayo ma-amaze and ayun, sobrang kayong mamamangha talaga. So you must visit El Nido in Palawan. So ang number 2 natin guys ay ang Boracay. Wow! So guys, Boracay is located in Aklan. It is 315 kilometers south of Manila. in the province of Aklan. Boracay is famous in its powder na white beach. So sobrang ganda nito. Diyos ko, ewan ko na lang kung hindi nyo na naisin na magstay ng matagal doon. And of course, it's pristine blue waters. Sobrang ganda, sobrang linaw. Mas malinaw pa sa relasyon niyo, best. Char! And by the way, Boracay is one of the most popular beaches here in the Philippines. A lot of tourists visit Boracay every summer. So, ngayong summer lang hindi natuloy nga kasi may pandemic tayong lahat and sobrang hirap and nag-close. Almost of the tourist destination here in the Philippines are closed. So ayun, the white beach. Sobrang ganda ng Boracay, guys. So ang top 3 natin ay Puerto Galera in Oriental Mindoro. Puerto Galera is UNESCO protected site since 1973. So ayun, pinipreserve talaga siya, guys. That's why Puerto Galera is one of the best beaches here in the Philippines that you must have to visit. It is located in Oriental Mindoro province. A lot of travelers visit Puerto Galera because of its beauty and its very relaxing view, and the beach is really amazing. The marine sanctuary makes you for great diving. So pag nag-beach ka, diving is one of the best thing to do. Yes. And of course, water sports, spa days, lounging, and etc. Puerto Galera is one of the best destinations you have to visit here in the Philippines. To all foreigner friends, please try our beaches here in the Philippines. You will love it very much. I am pretty sure of it. So guys, ang ating top 4 ay ang Samal Island in Davao. So ang Samal Island in Davao is also known as the Garden City of Samal. It is actually 2 kilometers from Davao City, the capital of Mindanao. 1,400 kilometers of from Manila rather. So guys, yon. If you want to try to visit Davao City, you can also try Mount Apo, the Philippines' top highest mountain. Ano pwedeng gawin natin sa Samal Island? So ayun, bukod sa relaxing na view nito, maraming resort and exploring many islets and beaches na meron sa Samal Island. You will try it and matutuwa kayo. Mamamaha kayo sa sobrang ganda. Of course, you can check out all of the vanishing islands located in Samal. Yes, which disappears as the tide comes. Yun. So ayun, yun ang top 4 natin. So ang top 5 natin, guys, is Panglao Island in Bohol. So ang Panglao Island is located off of Bohol. Panglao is similar to Boracay. Almost same sila kasi yung sands sa Boracay is almost the same in Panglao Island. Okay. So ano nga bang pwede natin gawin doon sa Panglao Island? So ayun, if you like architecture, you should check out Our Lady of Assumption Church. Sobrang ganda. You must try to visit it also, which combines Byzantine and Romanesque influences. So ang top 6 natin, guys, is also in Palawan. It is Coron Island. So Coron Island, guys, is both the name of an island of the coast of Busuanga and is inhabited by the Tagbanwa. So the people there are called Tagbanwa. Yes. So ano nga ba ang pwede natin gawin doon sa Coron, Palawan? Scuba diving. This is one of the best place for scuba diving. Actually, the Red Bulldog scuba diving held in Palawan. Yes. This 2020, I guess. Our top 7 is Palawi Island in Cagayan Valley. Palawi Island is one of the best beaches here in the Philippines. Of course, we can do hike, beach bum, and see the lighthouse. You can hike going to lighthouse. Yes. So top 8 natin is Pagudpod in Ilocos Norte. Referred as Boracay of the North because of its fine water signs also and its numerous water activities. So ayun na nga guys, ano ba ang mga pwede nating gawin sa Pagudpod in Ilocos Norte? We can see the Bangi windmills in Ilocos Norte and the Kaporpuawan Rock Formation are just relaxed in the beach. Consume your hours and days in the beach. It's so very relaxing. And also you can head up to Vegan City, which is a few hours away from Pagudpod. So ayun guys, ang pwede natin gawin sa Pagudpod Island. So ang ating top 9 is Siargao Island, Surigao del Norte. Siargao Island is a tear-shaped island in Surigao del Norte. It has the largest mangrove forest in Mindanao. Wow, that's so very great and nice. So ano nga ba ang pwede natin gawin dito sa Siargao Island? Go surfing. Wow. Siargao Island is very known for surfing. This is the nature lovers destination all over the Philippines, and it's overrun with hotels, bars, and shops like some other destination. So napaka-unique niya, napaka-fresh, napaka-virgin. Wala kang makikitang hotels, bars, and everything, malls. All you can see is coconut trees, a forest, old houses. That's very nice, guys. Siargao is one of the best places here in the Philippines. So yun na guys, number 10 natin is Mactan Island in Cebu. Cebu Island was ranked 6th among the best islands in the world. Wow! Top 6 best island in the world. So ano nga ba magagawa natin dito sa Mactan Island in Cebu? Live up with the resort life in Mactan Island. World-class resorts. Check out the Olango Island and Wildlife Sanctuary, or visit the aquarium, the only one in the Visayas region. So ayun guys, sobrang ganda ng mga island natin dito sa Philippines. So you must visit all. Ipon-ipon na tayo. So ayun guys, thank you so much. Hanggang dito lang yung vlog natin. Lagi kayong mag-iingat and God bless. That's it for today. So I hope you like the video. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. So arigatou gozaimasu. Maraming salamat.